You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this super beautiful and super famous fountain in Rome, Italy, Roma. So the way the Italians would say it and how you can easily say it in English and how it's pronounced in English. Trevi is the Italian pronunciation. Tre, V, a V sound, not a B. It's not Spanish. Trevi, okay? Trevi. In English, Trevi, okay? Fountain, Trevi Fountain or fountain. Now in Italian, if you're curious, fountain is pronounced as fontana. So if you're in the streets of Rome and you want to ask for the fountain, you can say fontana, fontana di Trevi. Fontana di Trevi, that's the full Italian pronunciation, Fontana di Trevi, or in English, Trevi Fountain. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.